sense of maintaining peace. As I mentioned earlier, that this book is already also speak about the politics, also speak about the organizing a society. So today the foremost need of our time is to organize the society in a peaceful manner. So the Quran also speaks about the peaceful manner also. For example, the Quran says that talk in a very nice way to your parents, talk in a very nice way to your friends, and speak good. It also says that. So it's also giving a sign that we must also organize the society in a peaceful manner. So to organize this peaceful manner, we need to follow all the things of the Quran. That's why the Quran says that enter into this book 100%ly, not halfly, not in a 20%, not in 20%, but 100%. When we do all the things of this book, then we will understand that this book, then we follow, that we will see the change. As in the past, there were many people who studied, researched and followed the Quran, and so they had the most leading states, economical states, political states, and they had the most leading scientists, geologists, astronomers, only because they studied and followed the Quran. So if again today we start doing this, then our society will be a much society and will be a very changed society than we see today. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now before we take our next question, please let me remind that counter questions and counter arguments are not allowed. So, sir, our allocated time is over. If you allow, we can take more questions, a few more questions, or we can end the session with just one more question. Just one more? Okay, just one more question from the girls' side. Okay.
I'm Faryal Khalid. As you said that the universe is expanding, and on the other hand you said that the volume of Earth is decreasing. Can you please explain the linkage between them and how the volume of Earth is decreasing?
So the previous question also asked by someone else, how this is increasing. Well, the universe is another nature and the Earth is another nature. The universe is increasing because the galaxies, you see, we live in a galaxy. It does not mean that the sun and the earth is going away and the moon and the earth is going away. It does not mean that. When it is saying that the universe is expanding, it means that one galaxy contains the like in this whole galaxy there is the sun, there is earth, there is Mars, there is Venus, so there are stars. So this whole is one galaxy. Similarly, there are many other galaxies like these, like this one. So those big galaxies are going away from each other. Not the earth and the sun, not the earth and the moon, not the moon and the Venus, not the Mars and the Jupiter, not like that. They all in its orbit and they are fixed. But big galaxies are going away from each other. So the universe is much bigger out of imagination. So that universe is increasing and those galaxies are expanding. And as for your second part, and then why the earth is decreasing, how it is decreasing, as I said earlier, that scientists haven't discovered this fact, and why it is decreasing, how it is decreasing, but it is decreasing, it has become an established scientific fact as well. Thank you.
Hope you got your questions answered. Now that was the last question of today's session. I thank you all once again.
Thank you, Namal. And now I call Inspirator Sahira to continue the program.
And serve the community and to grant international understanding. For the details of becoming a member of this club, one can attend our monthly meeting on every first Sunday of every month at 3 p.m. at Bajaj School, Main Branch, Eagar Road, Sucker. We inspire you to spread wings, fly high, reach the sky. Thank you.
Thank you, Sahiba. Ladies and gentlemen, now I request Chief Guest of the Day, Mr. Nisarullah Baloj, the Principal Public School Sucker, to come on the stage and share their kind words with us.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. August guests of honor, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. I would say it's always welcome this wonderful presentation I have seen. I am not merely pleased, but extremely amazed to see the confidence level, independence, sense of responsibility, and the strong community commitment of these young people who have engaged themselves in social responsibilities at such an early age. We should not only acknowledge it, but also lend our hand to these precious jewels of our society to make our future secure. My best wishes are with you. Thank you very much and welcome.
Thank you very much, sir. And now for the vote of thanks, I would like to call Inspector Shazina Aga.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamualaikum. As now on the behalf of Inspiration Club, first of all give thanks to the worthy principal of public school, Sucker, Mr. Nisarullah Baloj, for permitting us to do this seminar. We are also thankful to the Pepsi company for sponsoring us this program. And a very good thanks to all the staff members and to all the students of this institute. And a special thanks to all guests for sparing their time for their busy schedule for this seminar. Thank you all.
Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you very much all of you for joining us. Hope you enjoyed the program. Thank you.